Hey guys, it's Mrs. McFadden. I'm going to explain to you how to do your Unit 3 Quiz 2 from home. So first of all, you can use your notes for 3.4 to 3.6, but you can't use the internet, you can't look up these answers because I want to know what you know, not what you're able to look up. Okay? So first things first, this assignment is a copy just for you. It should say your name up here at the top. This one doesn't because I haven't assigned it yet. What you're going to do is click on the first slide and just read the directions. Determine whether each problem is linear or nonlinear. Then slide the star to the correct box. So for example, you're going to decide if this equation is linear, and if so, you just slide it to there, or nonlinear, and then you slide it to there. Okay? Put this back because I'm not telling you what the answer is. Then, if a problem is linear, type the slope in the box provided. So if I think this one's linear, I'm going to double click. You have to double click, and then I'm going to type a slope. Okay, but 20 would be a pretty ridiculous slope. And if you need to type a fraction, like 5/4, type the slash button, which is the question mark. It's right next to shift at the fraction. Okay, so just use the slash key. This box only gets filled in if it is linear. Okay, so if you pick nonlinear, notice how there's no line for slope. So you're either going to do this or click nonlinear. Same thing for the next few. Same thing for the next few. Then you'll get to one that says type the slope-intercept form of each equation in the box provided. And I'm going to kind of cheat and do this because I'm already halfway through explaining this. I forgot to give you guys little boxes. So here we go. Let's say you think that the slope of this line is y equals, actually I'm going to type the formula for you. You're going to type slope x plus the y-intercept. So instead of typing the word slope, I want you to type what you think the slope is, like 20 or 10. And if you think the y-intercept is 40, you type 40. So it should look something like that. And then you're going to do the same thing over here. For those of you willing to listen to this video, here's a hint. The y-intercept on this table is wherever x is 0. Find the y value. And for the slope, count what's happening to the y's over x. So whatever's happening here divided by whatever's being added here. Okay? Then you're going to use these shapes to graph the line. So you can't click on any of this stuff, the equation, you can only click on this stuff. So what I'm going to do is pretend like I'm graphing this line. Let's say my y-intercept is -6. And my slope is, I don't know, 2/3. From here, I would go up 2 over 3 and put my next point. Just like you would if you were drawing it. Then you're going to take this and you're going to attach one of the ends, so you can drag the ends to this point, and you're going to attach the other end to this point. But you want to pick the right point so that it actually looks like it goes through. Okay, or if you don't want to do that, you can just slide it like this, put one end down here, and put one end over here until it looks like it goes through the lines. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to give you another hint. This is the intercepts one where you'll cover up the y's. And actually, I can do that really quick. So you'll just do 9x equals 18, right? And then you'll get rid of that for a second. And you'll do 6y equals 18. And whatever your two answers are, like whatever the answer is for y, you come over here to the y-axis. Like let's say you thought your answer was -4. You would put this point right here at -4. Okay? But that's not the answer because I'm not giving away answers here. All right? And that's how you do your quiz. When you are done, you should not have a share button up here. You should have a button that says turn in. Okay? So it's going to be where this button is. It's going to say turn in.